I'm Tom Varner, and welcome to Adventures in TV Land. For today's adventure, I've come to Santa Claus, Indiana, to Holiday World. Holiday World is a theme park. It started off as a Christmas theme park 75 years ago. This year they are celebrating their 75th anniversary, and we've just come to check it out. We'll call it. There it is, 75 years of fun. Here on August 3rd, 1946, America's first theme park, Santa Claus Land, opened its gates. Through 75 years and 4 generations, the park has grown and changed, but our dedication remains the same. Today, we, the owners, leaders, and team members of Holiday World and Splashin Safari, rededicate ourselves to bringing the magic of holidays to our guests. August 3rd, 2021. See, they change the year every year up here on top, so you can see what years you've been here. Time to enter Halloween World, Halloween Land. These gates for the Raven roller coaster are really cool looking. They're very gothic. For little kids, there's the Scarecrow Scrambler. Now, in addition to free parking here at Holiday World, they also have free sunscreen. And the Legend is another one of the roller coasters here. Frightful Falls is the log flume ride. It's a swing ride, hollow swings, but it's currently closed. Now, Splashin Safari is the water park here at Holiday World, but I will not be seeing that or doing anything there today. Now we're in the 4th of July land. Now, the main dining facility here on the 4th of July is the Alamo. Now, the antique car ride is called the Lewis and Clark Trail. It's kind of interesting. This is the main theater.
That's what we're talking about. Way to get the show started. Good to see you guys.
Tippy Canoes is a reference to President William Henry Harrison. Tippy Canoe and Tyler too. It's a fun little kid boat ride, but it's currently not in operation. Now, another free thing here about Holiday World is you can get all the soda you want to drink. It's mainly Pepsi products. It's all Pepsi products except for a few on wires. And I went and I got myself a cold Dr. Pepper to drink. The Rough Riders is the bumper car attraction. This whirly-burly of a ride is called the Firecracker. This is the Liberty Launch. Raging Rapids is another water ride. There's the Star Spangled Carousel. I think I'll give it a ride. Who doesn't like a carousel? Some basic rules for your safety: no reaching for the ceiling of light bulbs, no leaning to touch other animals or poles, and no walking around while the ride is in motion.
Next to us. There's a squirrel.
Now entering Thanksgiving. There they go up the long big hill. Now Gobbler Getaway. It's a Thanksgiving-inspired dark ride.
The more targets you hit, the more points you'll get as you round up those feathered fugitives. Have fun, and get ready for a really happy ending for everyone.
There we go. Autumn Falls.
Or make your own home. Decorations for the table.
Come on, turkeys. Turkey! Happy Thanksgiving, November 24th, 1785. Score is 11:40. So I had 11:40, so between a beginner turkey collar and an apprentice turkey collar. That was Gobbler Getaway, the only that I'm aware of Thanksgiving themed dark ride. Holidogs Fun Town is the kids area.
It's where you can take a ride on the Holidog Express. And that's what we're going to do.
Dumpty. Holidog roller coaster. Little Bo Peep. This is the original train. It's part of Santa Claus Land in 1946. Christmas, Santa Claus Land. Greetings from Santa Claus Land, Santa Claus, Indiana. It's kind of cool mural.
It's the mascot of Holiday World, Holodog, in a nutcracker costume.
Christmas, 75 years of fun.
That was just a small sample, a small taste of the fun, excitement, and adventures that can be had at Holiday World in Santa Claus, Indiana. Thank you for watching this celebration of their 75th anniversary here on Adventures in TV Land. If you've liked this video, hit that like button. If you disliked, hit the dislike button. Subscribe to my channel for further content and ring that bell for email notifications. And if there's someplace that you would like to see me visit, or you have a suggestion about a future video, leave a comment in the comment section. And if you've enjoyed this adventure, or if you've enjoyed any of the adventures in TV Land, you can help support the channel by going to Buy Me a Coffee and making a donation or becoming a member there. Thanks again for watching. Until next time, that's a wrap. Those are some of the trams, some of them old, some of them not old, but the tram service is not currently being utilized during this time of the thing going on in the world.